Oo.
Malaki pa rin malalaki pa rin para bahay dito sa Masten.
Ang lakas na. Ayan o, nag-stop lang. Ayan o. Ay. Oh, the bird is calm. Oh, you have the bird here. Walking. The bird. Walking. Ayan. Go there. The bird is here. Over there, the
Puro
bird.
pwede din pala dito, no?
The bird, oh. Ah, yeah. Looking the bird. Yeah. So, vroom. Yeah, over there. Cha-cha. Oh, you like the sound? You sound like the bird? Sounds bird. Yeah. The bird. The bird is over there. Over there and the branches of the tree. The bird is walking.
Hindi pa ako napunta dito. Napaluwi. Yung may bahay doon, no? Mansion. Sila laki ng petrol station. Yun, no? Bahay. Sa bahay lang yan. Oh? Petrol station yan.
Saan?
Yan, yung bahay na yan. Ito mo.
Hindi, duplex kasi dati.
Ba? Ang laki. Pero Mars 10 pack pa rin to. Mars 10 to.
Oo, Marcel.
Hindi man lang
Marami nga dito bago. Kaya may bago silang school eh. Grabe naman yung bata.